how dirty it is, guys. That's coming from all the parts. So dirty. Wow. Replacing it.
One part goes towards us. These go.
Spot that's all dirty, guys. This part right here, honey bunny.
More parts gonna get back.
Really? Oh my god. All the guts. More than halfway, honey bun? Cleaning so it will look brand new again. You're doing it the other way. That looks brand new now. What? Oh, be careful, honey. It's greasy. The other one's already done. And that one is gonna be put in on this side right here. The blue one. Why did you pick the blue one?
Blue.
And then it locks it in.
Sometimes it's a pain in the butt, sometimes it works just fine. See it all the way in. Okay, there. Now it's on the end. So now it won't come out. Keeps the gasket where it needs to be. flat part to the lip.
How many are they?
8 of them. Shove it on there. This side to go first. Pop the other side on. Like that. And then you have the long ones. Clean this up. Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Look at that. It's all brand new.
Love you, honey bun.
Why?
My fingers can't do this.
You're not gonna use that thing?
Well, you want to put them on with your finger first, because if you just go straight to a tool to put it on, you'll strip the threads because it won't line up perfectly. Here, if you do it with your finger, you go, oh wait, it's not going in right. A tool, you can't tell. You come around, you just go and strip your threads, and then you are messed up. You screwed up. Then you need to tap it, refix everything. So now that I get it there, now I can start
Drilling.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's an 8.
Look at all this guts on this car.
Let's start with the middle. I'm going to just go light, just to get it on. Just get a little bit of force.
Tight now?
Well, not tight, but we're down now. So look how pretty that looks. Let's pray it don't leak.
So what is that rubber does, honey bunny? The blue one.
That holds the oil from going out, keeping it in. It can't get through this crack right here.
What is this here?
What is what where?
Is that
This?
engine
What?
oil? What is that for?
This is the valve cover gasket. The valve cover. This is the valve cover.
So many
All the
pieces.
valves that were in there. That go tick, 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 tick. threads.
Oh, okay. So it's just the
And this is
cover.
the valve.
It doesn't get wet then.
On the inside, it gets really wet. It's all full of oil. This is where you pour the oil in the car. And it goes all the way through all the holes down to the bottom of the pan at the end, the bottom of the engine. And then the oil pump pumps it back up, and it just keeps going like a waterfall and keeping the engine cool and lubed. And
Oh, that one's not tight yet.
you know,
How come you don't use your electric?
because you can't feel how much pressure you're putting on them. These things are going into plastic, and you don't want to over torque it. And you want it somewhat even as you put it on, so it'll make a better seal.
Someone has a motorcycle.
I did. What do you mean? Yeah, some guy pulled up not too long ago. I don't know where it went. I just heard it pull up and I looked. It's a guy on a bike.
You wanna wear your jacket, hon? It's getting cold.
No, it's not cold.